Easy way to sell your cat on Bybit in 2 minutes. So the first thing you need to do is to come to asset. So this is your asset down here. So when you select your asset, you're going to come here, you see funding, then you see unified trading. So you're going to just click below beside it, which you see asset, another asset here. So you're going to click on the asset, then you are going to see the assets you have in your account. You have the USDT. So all the assets you have on your Bybit, you're going to see, but our focus is cart. So you're going to click on cart. So when you click on cart, you're going to see this trading. So now immediately cart is listed. When you click on this trading, you'll be able to sell. And you can see now the countdown is still there. So I am still unable to sell, but I'm going to be using hamster combat as a case study so that to help you to guide you how to sell. Now this is hamster combat. So I've selected hamster combat instead of cat. So now this is how your page will appear. The first thing you need to do is to come to sell here. So when you come to sell, then after sell, then you click on limit. So when you click on limit, you are going to select market. What this means is that you are selling at the market price, the immediate price, as at the time you are about to sell. So you are going to click on market, then you're going to come here. So you're going to drag this, then select the number of percentage you want to sell. If you want to sell all, you click on all. Then when you are done, you click on sell. So when you click on sell, they bring out the confirmation page that you want to sell, then you click on what? Sell immediately. So as soon as you are done selling, you can now come to your asset again. So when you come to your asset, it's under your asset, you see account, then you see asset. Under the asset, you are going to see your coin in USDT. Then I'm still going to guide you on how to convert this to your bank account. So do well to subscribe, like our video, and join our Telegram channel as we'll be dropping back-to-back updates. See you next time for more updates.